Example number 2. Find the product of the given rational function 3x minus 3x squared all over x squared plus 4x minus 5 times x squared plus x minus 20 all over 3x. We will start with factoring out our given rational expressions. Common factors of our numerator here will be 3x, 1 minus x all over the factors of our denominator. Since it's a quadratic expression, then we should write x over here and x over here. Factors of 5, that will give us 4 when we add them. Since it's negative, then one of them should be positive and the other one will be negative. So I will write 5 here and 1 because positive 5 plus negative 1 is positive 4. Then we factor this one out. I will be writing x over here and x. This is negative, so one should be positive, the other one will be negative. Factors of 20 that will give us 1 when we add them is 5 and 4. 5 plus negative 4 is positive 1 all over 3x. After we factor this out, we can now multiply our numerator and denominator. 3x times 1 minus x times x plus 5 times x minus 4 all over x plus 5 times x minus 1 times 3x. And then we can now divide out common factors. These and these are the same. These and these are also common factors. Then we have 1 minus x, x minus 4, and x minus 1 left. As you can see, these two are somewhat similar, but if we rewrite this expression, that will become negative x plus 1, which as you can see is not the same with x minus 1. What will we do here is to rewrite by getting the common factor, which is negative 1. So I will factor that out, minus 1. Because negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive x. X minus 4 all over x minus 1. I can now divide this out. Step 4, write the simplified form of our rational expression. We have negative 1 times x minus 4 or negative x plus 4. Now we write our excluded values. All of the values of our x here that are cancelled out means that will make our simplified expression equal to 0. We have x plus 5, 3x, and x minus 1. We equate this by 0. We subtract 5 to both sides. X is equal to negative 5. So this is one of our excluded value. 3x is equal to 0. Divide both by 3. X is equal to 0. And x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides of the equation. Positive 1. So all of these values of x will make our expression equal to 0, which means these are all our excluded values.